I always cleaned the bad frying air, and I didn't know. Now, I'm doing that, quick and practical. So guys, look, you know that day, you used your frying air at home, made meat, fish, and chicken, and stayed in that fat state. The first thing people do is take the sponge and start rubbing. Here, never do that again because you're ruining your frying air. In addition to staying here for a long time to rub, you can also scratch and damage the Teflon from your frying air. So now, I'm going to show you a very convenient and fast way to allow you to clean your frying air without having to rub. As you can see, I made meat in my frying air, and it became all fat. It's a very annoying impregnated fat to remove, so starting today you'll do the following. The first thing we're going to use. It is baking soda. This product is already well known and very easy to find on the market. We will only put a very full spoonful and spread it very well in your frying air. Then we're going to use a detergent. Here, I'm using that with lemon, but that can be your preference. And here, we're going to put 3 tablespoons of laundry. Okay, you can broadcast it here as well when adding. And finally, we'll add vinegar, but it's got to be alcoholic vinegar. Okay, we're going to use the same amount of detergent, 3 tablespoons. When I throw out the vinegar, it's going to cause a reaction, but that's normal because of the bicarbonate. It's foaming, but it's quite normal. What are you going to do now? I've already let it heat up for a few minutes. Here's about 500 milliliters of water, but it's not boiling water. Alright, guys. It's hot water. And now, we're going to pour here on our frying air. Note that the water is already changing color. It's already releasing that fat, you see? Now we're going to let the product act here for about 10 minutes. I'll show you. Time has passed here. And look at the color of the olega here, all that impregnated fat is probably already out. Now we're going to have that water here. Look how it went. Here are some other little remains. You're going to take a sponge, and you're just going to put a little laundry in, and with the yellow part, we're going to remove that excess very slowly. Just look for any dirt or fat that exceeds even your finger. It's really convenient, you don't need to rub or keep pushing. It only comes with this yellow part and removes any remains that could have remained after removing the remains. Now, you're just going to rinse your frying air and look, no fat. Staff, there is no need to waste time rubbing. It cleans and leaves as new. Now, just remove the excess soap and dry it, but look at it here, we already see that we've removed all the fat. So do it at home, I'm sure it will help you a lot. Stay with God until the next video.